In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Cursor AI on Windows 10 or 11. First, open Google Chrome on your mobile. Once you are in, then click on the search bar and type Cursor AI. Once you type it, hit the enter, and then from the results, click on the first official link. Once you click on it, a website will be open in front of you. On the home page, click on the option that says Download for Windows. Once you click on it, your download will start automatically in a few seconds. Once it's downloaded, click the setup file to open the installer. Once the installer will be open in front of you, you'll see the license agreement. Read it, then click I accept the agreement, and then simply click on the next. After that, select where you want to install Cursor AI or leave it as the default. Click next again, and after some permissions, it will ask you to install. Simply click on the install to proceed. Wait for it to finish, and then you're ready to open Cursor AI and start using it. And that's it. You've successfully installed Cursor AI on Windows. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.